Hey there, my name's Eben, and I'm a concept artist and illustrator. I've been creating art professionally for over 5 years now, and during that time I've developed a workflow that has really effectively allowed me to create new art all the time and to get new client work on a regular basis. Over the years, I've been able to create artwork for dozens of projects, including book covers, album artwork, concept art, and award-winning illustrations. During that time, I've developed a workflow that has allowed me to create art quickly and effectively and establish strong communication with my clients. Not once have I ever had a project rejected by a client because they weren't satisfied with the quality. And these are the kind of strategies I want to pass on to you through my mentorship program. When you sign up, you get access to one-on-one private instruction that is catered to your specific needs as an artist. During our initial session, we'll go through your artwork, talk a little bit about what you have already and the skills that you need to work on. Next, we'll create a plan on exactly how you get from where you are now to where you want to be. Whatever it is, we're going to make it happen, and we're going to work on the skills that you need to be effective as an artist and to even start your own art career. I also offer special group mentorship sessions at various points throughout the year where you can get together with a group of other students and we would go through a short program where you can get a crash course through the basics of digital art and concept art and illustration. You can also book one-on-one sessions individually whenever it's convenient for you. If you just want to go over your portfolio or touch up a piece of artwork, I'm happy to book those sessions at any time. So take a look at the options, or if you have any questions, feel free to just reach out to me directly. I'm available anytime through email, or if you want to drop me a message in our Discord server, I'd be happy to answer it. Anyway, I hope to see you during one of our sessions, and please, once again, feel free to reach out anytime if you have any questions or if you just want to know a little bit about the program. Okay, I'll see you later.